for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato, give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone, holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everybody knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato, give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the code. Yeah, arigato. Tonight's the night. StockTiger on the screen. Charts moving fast, candles whip side to side. Heart rate up, yeah, I'm in the ride. No hesitation, orders locked in tight. One clean move, everything aligned. Then it snaps back, wicked motion, that's when I am holy. Mochaccino price, don't play, but I'll stay smooth. If it hits my target, you know the move.
Hey, fellow traders, welcome back. Welcome back, fellow traders.
When it hits TP, I already know. Hands up high, arigato, give me the night, give me the zone. Risk on point, never alone. Holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino, arigato. Holy mochaccino, let it go. Whip so wild, market alive, crowd goes loud when the level breaks wide. No regrets, yeah, we here to win. One good trade pays for everything. Volatility, sweet emotion, screens light up, holy mochaccino, target tag, cash flows in, smile comes out, that's discipline. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. When it hits TP,
Everybody, great to see you guys back again. Welcome to Globex ASIA.
holy mochaccino, let it roll. This is how StockTiger goes. Holy mochaccino. No sleep, no fear, just tonight. One moment turns into flight. From the whip to the coast, everyone knows. Give me the move, give me the flow, give me the break, then let it go. Holy mochaccino, high and low. TP hit, arigato, give me the night, give me control. Let the whole screen overflow. Holy mochaccino. That's the code. Yeah, arigato.
SL4 Kerman. Daily day trades. Just sitting right in the house. Final countdown. Gringo. L7 Trader. Mirage Shine. Alright guys, welcome everybody. Great to see you guys back again. Woo! What a weird morning to say the least, guys. Oh man. It was a weird morning. It was a weird morning. All right, so I'm gonna really try to see if I can actually take a look at the gold, right? I mean, pretty interesting day. The gold definitely had its moments. We did not really get that sort of a pullback here today. I kind of feel like, you know, we've got some more ways to go to the upside. We'll keep an eye on the gold right at the start, and then we'll look to see if we can trade something else. But right off the bat, we'll keep a closer look at the gold. We will start the day trading the Apex accounts and then go from there. All right, guys. Miroski and Gastoni in the house. For Punisher in the house. 44 Punisher, man. Holy smokes, man. I saw your thing. I don't know if you you're okay. That's incredible. 44 Punisher, the monster trader. The monster trader. A quiet monster trader. That's all I can say. Oh, it ended on the 4th. What does that mean? Are you the winner? Yeah, so 44 Punisher, of course, he's on a tournament, on a competition. I think it's the Ninja. And he's on the top of the leaderboard. Incredible, Mochaccino. Awesome, awesome. 44 Punisher. Great to see you do so well. Eric Jovic. Well, if you're going to tell me to stop, I can stop. It's up to you, Eric. Do you want me to stop? Let me know. Yeah, what a weird day. Weird day in the morning. Yeah. But we're just gonna keep thinking about the good, okay? Because I mean, as soon as you start to think about the bad, I mean, it's never ending, right? So we'll keep thinking about the good, all the good things that actually ended up happening. We had some really good trades across a lot of my accounts, but of course, I also had some couple bad trades as well, which kind of turned out to be a pretty bad one. Kind of gave me a little bit of an example of something I shouldn't do, and almost kind of seems like I do it sometimes too, like holding my bag a little longer and longer and longer, and eventually that kind of fades. And yeah, so something I've got to try to refrain from trying to hold onto my trades too long, especially on a losing trade. And if that chart looks pretty bearish and see a lower high, constant lower high, kind of pulling back, at some point I've got to cut it loose. But I did give some good example of stuff that I shouldn't do, and I hope you guys saw that. And yeah, we'll all learn from the mistakes. Everybody, welcome back, guys. Dips, what's going on, man? I think Legend so far I think it's an okay firm. I have no problem trading Legend. Trading on fire. Let's be, well, I don't know about the fire, but maybe not a fire, maybe volcano. Volcano just about to erupt. Yeah, guys, I mean, yeah, so I'm taking it slow, right? I'm taking it slow. I'm just trying to take one step at a time. I look forward to again the big payout, so we'll see. We'll do a lot of celebration as soon as I get it. I do kind of feel like I still have to trade for about 4 or 5 more days, and I made a little less than 1,000. Well, I actually ended up making $1,200 on that account today, guys. I mean, incredible, Mochaccino. Anyways, guys, good luck everybody. If you guys are trading today, we got 9 more minutes to go. I will be back here in about a minute, everybody. I was just kidding, bro. Eric, do not worry. Sean Hazel in the house. Yeah, I will start in about a minute, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. get me a mochaccino machine. I've actually got quite a lot of coffee machines. I've got one, two. I've got like 4 or 5, and I only use one. Pretty interesting. In fact, I was thinking about why the heck I have so many. I bought a few during the Black Friday as well. Incredible. And the last one I got was the Nespresso machine, which obviously I use now. But yeah. It's good. It's good stuff. We'll like it. We like it. Well, traders, StockTiger is back again, everybody. A beautiful afternoon. The market about to start in about 7 minutes, guys. Thank you so much, everybody. Welcome back. Wiznofure in the house. Gastoni, Eric, New Brion, Sonic in the house. F90MS in the house. Ew. All right, guys. It doesn't look like Trump is backing out, right, on his plans on the Greenland. So it almost kind of feels like this market definitely has that pressure stepping in. And I wonder how the what do you call this, Netflix earning came out. Let me just take a look and see what sort of a report we had. I mean, just based on what I see right now, we don't really have much going on. All right, so Netflix down about 5%. All right, so Netflix down about 5% as we speak. Let's look at the overall market here, guys. SPY. Oh, SPY is down into the 677, right? So this is a pretty bearish looking candle that we have, right? A pretty bearish looking candle. And we talked about how we could see this market kind of pull back here. And this is the drawing that we had a while ago. And it feels like kind of playing out. So we could see this market pull back here. Now, Trump has no interest in backing away, right? So what does that mean? That's a pretty significant pressure in the overall market. So we got a nice little pullback here, 677 on the SPY. I wonder what the QQQ is doing. QQQ also 608. So this is not looking that great, guys. A pretty bearish looking candle here. This is on a daily chart, by the way. So I do feel we got some more ways to go, guys. I mean, maybe down into the 670. I wonder what the GLD is looking like at the moment. I'd like to take a look right here. Just 1 second, guys. I'm gonna GLD was GLD. Let's take a look at the GLD, guys. I mean, GLD has a nice, beautiful, well, GLD. What kind of a candle is this? Is this a bullish? Does this mean that we are going to see some sort of a pullback here, just like the way we did here? Honestly, I don't know, man. Are we going to pull back here? Is that what it is? I mean, this almost it looks pretty identical. I don't know if you guys have noticed that. This and this looks pretty identical. I don't know if you guys noticed the same thing. And Netflix down about 5%, guys, right now as I speak. So Netflix down. Netflix down, guys. So I don't know what this is. This looks like a bullish spinning candle to me, but I don't know. I mean, every time you had this sort of a candle here, if you just take a look, guys, I mean, we had a little bit of rejection and a pullback. So we'll wow. We'll see how this thing plays out, guys, today. right? Every time we try to have that, but this looks, wow, man. I mean, I can't believe we're at 437 on the GLD. So I think let's see how this market actually ends up opening here. We may get a little bit of a dead cat bounce on the overall market. And that would be from a ES and QQQ standpoint, or not QQQ, ES and NQ. While the gold may give us a little bit of a, you know, like a profit taking, maybe a little minor pullback here down. Let's nope. I'm gonna try to take a look and see what sort of a areas you're kind of looking at here. So the next level is gonna be the 475. Obviously we don't really have any resistance, so we're gonna have to use the fib levels to kind of gauge where it's gonna go next. What is the next level? And obviously you got a nice little support here at 396. We got a nice beautiful bounce and kept going. We broke out of a very important 61.8 Fibonacci, so, and that was at 430, and we are right at the air. So we'll see, guys. I mean, looks like we may I don't know, I mean, fill the gap. I'm not sure if you're gonna do that, but still looking pretty bullish, right? So let's keep an eye on the gold, guys. I mean, I want to be a little bit careful with the gold just yet, you know, with this sort of a bounce that we got. We may try to pierce through that a little more, and then maybe give us that little push down while we get a little bit of a dead cat bounce in the overall market. That would be the NQ. So guys, all right, man, we are here in about a minute, guys. We start in about a minute. Everybody, good luck, guys, if you guys are trading here. Let's get it, guys. Woo, baby. Oh, bar Batman yellow, thanks, brother, thank you. All right, so here we are, guys. We are going to be trading. We'll start trading. All right, so
the market is open.
All right, so here we go, guys. We are start the market open. The month high was 47.72. We have, obviously, the opening is 47.69. Previous day closed at 47.65. Okay, wow. What if I try to short this gold? Nah, I don't know. I don't know if I want to mess with the gold right now. I'll try to short this market, guys. What are you guys' plans? Everybody, JLF, what is going on, brother? Welcome back. Justin right in the house as well, everybody. Great to see you guys back again. The golden nuggets. All right, let's see what happens now. The gold pulling back here a little bit, guys, as we speak. Let's take a look and see what the NQ is doing. NQ getting a little bounce, nothing truly that meaningful, but there's definitely a lot of pressure in the gold. Sorry, not in the gold, in the NQ, because Trump has no intention of backing out. So I may try to play a little scalp here, guys. I mean, not really the end of the world, right? Just a little bit of a scalp here. We could do that, I think. We have a little resistance here at the 47.71. That's the high. So we're gonna use that as a level that we gotta get above to be a lot more bullish in this market, guys. All right, so far we're getting a little pullback here. I'm gonna try and trade this and look for the little pullback here down into the 47.55. But before we do that, we may try to get a little bounce, guys. I'm gonna try and add to my short position here, and I'll have a hard stop here right at the 47.75, guys. Try to maybe add one more here just to kind of make me feel a lot better. Taco trade. All right, do we have any more news? Netflix down, still down, guys. Netflix still down about 5%, and I don't know what the financial juice. Do we have anything in the table now? House panel asked about China's access to US computing infrastructure. Nothing truly there at the moment. Today on the 20th, it's a January the 20th. Okay, so we've got what do we have? Do we have any news coming out? 21st. 21st. On the 21st, do we have anything else? Okay, so 21st, that's tomorrow. So early in the morning, guys, we're gonna have Trump, Davos greeting, and speaks in Davos as well at 6:30 in the morning. So that will be right before the market opens, right? So just keep an eye on that. If you guys are swing trading overnight, you want to be a little bit cautious and careful about that. And we've got US pending home sales coming up as well at 8 o'clock in the morning. And that's it, really. And Trump meets business leaders. Japanese. All right, so that's it, man. I think tomorrow's gonna be all about Davos, and we obviously got some earnings come out as well. I don't know which are the ones. It's earnings week too, right? And then of course next week is the big one. That's the big catalyst, guys. That's really gonna move the market one way or the other, right? That's the earnings. That's gonna really show how strong the economy is, right? And that's definitely going to be the catalyst. So we'll see how that goes. That's next week. And this week is all about Davoso, and how Trump deals with Greenland. And let's see if we have further escalations in Iran as well. That's going to try to move the market too. Obviously, starting off with the crude oil. All right, everybody, welcome back, guys. Great to see you guys back again. Amarel, Guha 46, Arki, Forex Elite in the house. Guys, I'm gonna try and have my hard stop here. Yeah, I'll have a hard stop. I'm gonna have a very tight stop on this, guys. I mean, if this truly wants to just pop, that's absolutely okay with me. But I'm not okay to hold the bag anymore, like the way I did this morning, everybody. CG, what up? All right. Lots of stuff going on right now. So gold, well, the gold's kind of like right in the middle, but I mean, you guys saw that gold, right? I mean, on that trading view chart, it feels a little exhausted there, right? We had a constant pump in the gold. We could just keep ripping. That's why I put a hard stop there just in case. J-Han, what is going on, man? Adam B in the house. Hey, Soul Do, Good 46. Great to see you guys back again. All right, pretty interesting start. Nothing truly that amazing. Nothing truly there at the moment, guys. We'll keep an eye on this, but okay, so we're kind of chopping in the range. Let's just take a look and see what the oh my mochaccino, man. Well, we had a much better move on the NQ. Well, what am I doing trading NQ here? Sorry, gold. Gold is pretty boring at the moment, guys. I may have to shut it off. Shut it off! Move on to something else that's kind of moving. Yeah. No bueno, no pasa nada, everybody. Maybe grab, I don't know, I have no idea. It feels kind of funny how it's nothing truly there at the moment. All right, so while this, all right, so let's just try this. 1 second, guys. Yeah, gold is weird at the moment. Come on, gold. It's okay. Do not be shy. Move. All right. Made a quick $1,500 on that silver dump. Oh, really? You traded silver right now? That's crazy, man. That's crazy. Oh my god. Glad to be back with the King of Asia, Sahid Salim, in the house. Thank you, brother. Really appreciate it, guys. And I keep saying this over and over again, guys, but without you guys, obviously this does not mean anything. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna flatten this trade, man. This is really boring, everybody. I can't be trading gold anymore. All right, let's just go back to. All right, guys. I mean, you understand that we broke underneath, and this drawing that I had a while ago, right? And then, of course, we had this. We talked about how important it is to kind of hold this 300 area, and we pierced through that down. But we also got a little bit of a bounce in this market, guys. So, of course, I want to kind of use this. But if we can hold this level, guys, I mean, this looks like it's kind of holding on a tick chart standpoint. But if we can hold that, guys, I think we break down 100. Sorry, not 100. What I'm talking about. We break underneath 25,000 today. If we can hold this, I think we break it down, guys. I think that's what I kind of see, right? I'm not. I want to cautiously be a little more optimistic in this market, guys. But we could see this thing dump underneath 25k for all you know, if we can hold this, and if we can get a bounce. So it's gonna be pretty interesting. To at least, yeah. So I mean, we kind of held a little bit on that 100 area, but I mean, we are getting a little bit of a dead cat bounce, maybe into the 255s, maybe, or do we get a crack underneath this? I think if you break underneath this 120 area, then I think we could go all the way back down again. So either we get above 210,
market is
or
open.
we get down underneath the 120. 210 or 120. All right, guys. Well, let's just go back into. I'm gonna. Yeah. It's hard to trade the. Hard to trade this bad boy right now. So we're gonna use this. Get above this 210, or we go underneath, of course, 120, and this is gonna be a lot more bearish in this market, guys. Looking so far a little bearish. There's just no strength in this market, guys. I mean, we kind of witnessed that today, right? We were in this trade. I was there this morning trading this, and we just did not have the, you know, no bueno, man. Nobody wanted to get into the long position here today, of course. So the market kept dumping towards the end of the day. No footing just yet, guys, until we kind of break above this 185. All right, fellow traders, I am going to try to position myself here, just kind of waiting a little bit, right? I just want to see what this price action is going to be. Let's take a look at the Netflix, guys. Netflix also did not do quite well, but Netflix trying to hold, guys. Netflix trying to hold. 4.5. I don't know if the Netflix conference call is over yet, right? So I want to try to understand what their conference call is going to be, and I want to see how their guidance is going to be as well for the next 6 months or so, and how much of a subscription did they actually gain, and what their plans are moving forward. So I think that's we got some questions to be asked, but I don't know. I'm not in there. I'm obviously trading live right now, so I can't see. I don't know if you guys have any information on that. That's gonna kind of dictate what Netflix is gonna go here today, and I think that's gonna kind of try to move the market, fueled of course with what sort of an information we get from Davos as well. So guys, be careful, guys, if you're trading this. Can you full port silver meaning for what? You gotta have a purpose, a reason to do that. I do not have any reason, so all right, so far Did I just get disconnected, everybody? Can y'all hear me right now? Can everybody hear me? There is a little bit of a, what do you call this? Network problemo. You wish you understood silver. I mean, honestly, I don't know. I mean, is there really a reason why you want to understand silver? I mean, do you want to trade silver? Guys, am I live? Can you guys hear me? Am I okay? Can you guys hear me well? The beautiful StockTiger sound. Netflix is kind of pulling back. Netflix kind of pulling back here, guys. You just need to send it to the silver. No need to understand. Yeah, just close your eyes and make a wish. All right, guys. Oh, wow, there's nothing there, man. I mean, welcome to Globex Asia, guys. The smallest and the weakest and the largest trading session of all. I wonder what the gold is doing, though. I want to take a look and see what the gold is doing. Well, the gold isn't doing anything. Just getting a little pullback here, and I wasn't confident with the gold getting a bounce after taking a look at that chart here, guys. Man, I was like, you know what? This does not look that strong, right? We are seeing some kind of a weakness here, and that's why I kind of stepped aside. The biggest and the largest just in right in the house, hoping to make a little money. You want to making a little money? All right, Hoover flag trader, man. Well, most probably better off just kind of wait if you want to make the real monies. Maybe the real money's in the morning. So far, we're not really getting anything at the moment. I mean, it's not even moving at all, guys. Just maybe 4 points. 4 points. And I don't know what the gold is doing, but gold is kind of chopping after a little pullback here as well. The silver is kind of moving too. Silver, wow, silver is down, but I mean, honestly, silver down. I mean, the gold down as well. I do kind of feel like, you know, we get a bounce at some point, right? I don't know if you guys are on the same camp, but great session, amazing. All right, so let's try to leave that as is for now. Let's try to move back to the gold here. The gold trying to get a bounce. Oh, by the way, I can't be I don't want them going, you're hedging. So either I close my position on the NQ and then move to gold. We could see a better move in the gold, just looks like it that way, right? So I may try to close well. Oh my god, this is so boring. I'm pretty much break even. Nothing truly there at the moment. Should I try to add? Well, I'm only one micro, by the way, and I was kind of trying to. I was thinking about adding to my short position on a bounce into the 196 to maybe 210 area, and then look for that to kind of roll down. But I don't know. It looks pretty weak though. Joey Crypto, what is up, brother? Today is the market. Well, I don't want to think about it, guys. You guys know. I mean, everything was great, but we only remember the bad moments, right? And that's the problem. We only remember the bad trades. But I had a lot of good trades. You know, a lot of things were kind of working out. But every time I think about this morning, only thing I can think about is holding a bag. That's all I can think about. Holding a heavy bag. That bag was pretty heavy. Yeah, there was definitely that little bit of a glitch here, guys. Pretty slow market, pretty slow. So far the Enki is not moving at all. I still kind of like a little maybe rollover down on the it really boils down to what the Netflix is gonna look like. So I'm just gonna try to take a look at the Netflix price. So yeah, Netflix is getting a little pullback, guys. They're back to they just literally gave a couple dollars back, so they're kind of down about $4 now. Yeah, they're down. So Netflix pulling back, and Netflix is down, guys. Netflix is down. Yeah. We are getting a little pullback here as well on NQ. I may try to trade my Tradify accounts as well.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Place a hard stop there as well. Let's see if you get a little pullback here.
Order rejected.
Oh, you can only have 4.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
All right, so okay, so there we are. Let's take a look and see what the NQ is doing. NQ looks like it's trying to pull back here, guys. I think it's kind of really important to hold this, but looking weak so far. We could have that continuation of a pullback here today. I wouldn't be surprised if we do that. I'll leave it at this for now, right? I'm looking for that little bounce. I still think we could get a bounce in this market, and then maybe that kind of gives us a chance to kind of short the market again. Netflix is very expensive. I mean, that's what we've been saying, very expensive for the longest time ever, right? That's the problem. That's the problem. I mean, everything is expensive. The problem is that's where all the smart money is, and are they willing to take it off the table? We're not there yet, right? I mean, the market ended up getting a pullback at 2%, and that was literally in front of the escalation between the EU and the Trump. So nothing related to the earnings just yet. You know, I mean, Nvidia had a really strong bounce, I think, right at the start in this morning, while some of the other semiconductor stocks kind of dumped. AMD and Nvidia actually held. So it's gonna be pretty interesting to kind of watch. I think if the escalation kind of fades, I think with a reasonable earnings, we could try to bounce, and then the bounce could be short-lived, and then that's where we may start to get into a little bit of a correction territory. We'll see, guys. We'll keep an eye on this. It's gonna get very interesting the next couple of weeks, guys. The next couple of weeks is gonna be pretty huge. I wonder how it's gonna be though, right? I mean, I don't know if we are going to have a easy peasy sort of a resolution to what is happening right now in this overall market, guys. I mean, all the bad news that we are getting at the moment with the tariff, with the Davos, right? Trump, Greenland, all the keywords right now is just all bad. So nothing great about the market right now, to be honest, right? So I think the only thing that could kind of try to save the market would be the earnings. And we have already started to get the earnings, right? It's earnings week from now into next week, and next week is the biggest earnings that's gonna come out, right? And that would be the Apple, Microsoft, Amazon. It's gonna be huge. So, and then yes, and we also have, it almost kind of feels like this market wants to bring it down to below $25,000. I think that's what I'm kind of seeing. Well, let's just try to take a look from a bigger time frame here, guys. Let's just go back to the 1 hour chart. But yeah, I mean, we had a chance to get a bounce, right? We never really got it. We never really got that sort of a bounce that we were kind of looking at. So it does look like we may try to pull back here underneath the 25K. We had a chance to kind of give us that little bit of a bounce. We never really did. So all the EMAs, lower high, kind of playing out nicely. We may get a little bounce. Maybe this could be the double bottom as well. Maybe, nobody knows. We're gonna have to kind of play one step at a time here. But on a 1 hour chart looks pretty bearish as well. So yeah, I mean, below $25,000 may be the one, right? The market may be trying to look for that little push down into the 24.9, somewhere around that, I think. Let's take a look, guys. I mean, NQ here. Let's take a look, guys. NQ, this is on a 30-minute chart. Let's just go back to the 1 hour, right? Like I said, oh no, MNQ. So like I said again, I mean, it kind of really makes sense. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart here. But we broke underneath the very important levels now. So, and then we got the next level, which is kind of like in that 24,920-ish area. So that's the next level of support. And of course, if that doesn't hold, then we have a pretty significant pullback that could take us all the way back down to somewhere. I'm not going to talk about it right now. First thing first, of course. All right, so here we go, guys. I mean, I think I did get filled. So we are getting a little pullback in the gold, right? Pullback in the gold. You scared me. You scared me. All right, so where am I? Where am I at right now, guys? All right, so it's gonna be again in the last few days. I don't know if you guys noticed, but the market has been kind of really slow right at the start, Globex, right? And then all of a sudden, as I ended my stream, it started to get really wild, right? Very, very interesting, guys. We'll find out. Ichimuchi, everybody. Do you guys think we gotta do a giveaway? I think so. I'm all right with that, unless you guys have a little problem. I'm okay with that. Should we try to get to maybe 9,000 sub today? What do you guys think? Let's try to get to 9,000 sub. What do you guys see? What do you guys think, everybody? Should we? Let's go, everybody. Should we? Yeah, all I ask, guys, I mean, obviously I thank you guys for being here, obviously, every day. But if you guys want to show some love, smack the like, guys, like never before. Take couple seconds of your time to do that, I would really appreciate it, guys. It truly means the world, right? You are thinking small. Oh, sorry, Kingston. Yeah, I always see one step at a time. You know, I always jinx myself every time I look for something big. You guys see, I'm not talking about my Apex account right now, right? I'm not talking about it. I'm like, you know what? I'm not gonna talk about it. We said we've got this $15,000 right up in the air, just kind of waiting. Pray for another 4 or 5 days. It's like, woo, baby, StockTiger. Yeah, I never really had. I mean, I never had ever before a payout. Again, I don't want to talk about it, guys. I don't want to jig myself, right? Let's StockTiger. Just why don't you just keep quiet for a while, right? Right? Work on your freaking day-to-day, $150 or whatever you guys want to call it, and we'll talk about this in about five days. StockTiger. I mean, there's no reason why you want to talk about it right now. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. All right. I was just kidding, guys. I was just kidding. Anyways, brother. 4 East. Morrison in the house. Yeah, so I mean, I'm not truly that bullish. And quite honestly, I mean, you know, we had this constant pullback here today in this market. And of course, I kept trying to hold to my long position, which obviously was a big mistake. Something to take away here. If I didn't hold a bag, and if I cut it loose early, I would have been okay. But then I don't know why. What did I have in my mind to kind of make me think we are going to get a bounce when it literally did not show me any signs of a bounce in this market? So, you know, I feel bad about what I've done, but I mean, you know, we're gonna forget about it for now. But something to take away, something to try to fix, right? Kind of really have to try to respect the mental stuff and the hard stuff. If you have, of course, there's really no reason to respect the hard stuff because it's already there. But if you are doing a mental stop, that better be respected, right? Unless something changes drastically in the market. But it was pretty wild. I mean, more so than getting embarrassed, I was like, you know, what the heck are you trying to do, StockTiger? What the heck? What are you trying to prove? The gold, I don't know, man. I think the gold, maybe we get a little pullback here before we try to get a bounce. And that's what I said. You know, I have a little bit of an order kind of placed in this area, 4760s. Yeah, and then I'm going to be looking for that little bit of a pullback and maybe get a bounce off that Oh, by the way, guys, I will share my Discord link if you guys want to hang out with one of the best, finest day traders on earth. We're truly global, guys. So if you guys are from Samoa Island or whatever, you're gonna have fellow traders trading from that area. So all right, that's my Discord link. You guys are most welcome. My pleasure. Thank you so much for getting in. All right, so now I'm up on the gold, but I'm down on the NQ. So I wonder what this NQ is gonna do, to be honest. Let's try to see if the NQ breaks underneath, right? Maybe give us that little pullback here to the 148s, and maybe we have a little bit of a rollover down. Yeah, Justin, right? You know, I tell you what though, when you go through that situation, have a little bit of ginseng. I don't know if you have heard that before. If you have a ginseng, guys, it keeps you strong and refreshed. And of course, have a lot of coffee, like the way StockTiger does. Cheers, everybody. I honestly, I have no idea what this market is trying to do, man. I'm like, is this even moving? Is this even moving? Man, you know, sometimes I'm getting really annoyed with this market because it's quiet. And then all of a sudden, I'm like, you know what? I'm going to try to step into this trade with 10 micro. The market starts to move. I don't know if you guys ever go through that. It happens to me so many freaking times. Whether it's in the morning or in the afternoon, it doesn't really matter. It happens to me all the freaking time. I'm really getting annoyed, to be honest. Why the heck does that happen all the time? Why? Why? I'm trying to bank, Edward. I'm trying to bank, but I don't know if I'm not getting anything right now. What am I gonna do? Why? All right, so far we are breaking here on the NQ. I may try to, man, yeah, I mean, there's really no direction, right? So far, this may be a little chop all day long. Might as well try to have some fun here, guys. Might as well try to have some fun. What do you guys say? What do you guys think? Guys, show some love. Everybody. El day trading per day so rentable, pero es muy exigente. Requiere disciplina, gestión de riesgo estricta y control emocional sin un plan claro y práctica constante. Yeah, I gotta back off. You're right. I'm sorry, guys, man. Maybe I had too much coffee. I think that's what it is. Man. I've got to kind of scale down. You know, I'm pretty good at scaling down to my position, right? Might as well do that with the coffee tea. Scale it down. Just slice it down, everybody. Oh, Justin, right. By the way, you are do you copy trade or do you actually trade accounts individually? Do you like what do you do, bro? Tiger Pala Español. Me hablo español. No pasa nada. Maybe I should just open a coffee shop. What do you guys say? Man, coffee shops always do well, guys. I mean, that's something that I've kind of noticed. I've never seen a coffee shop, because you guys know how much I love coffee, but I mean, none of this coffee shop that I go to, it's always jam-packed, guys. I mean, holy mochaccino. Pretty wild. I don't know if you guys noticed that. Maybe I should just open up my own coffee shop and maybe trade inside and have a little bit of a concert, right? Live stream concert, you know what I mean? Maybe that coffee shop go bankrupt pretty soon. It wouldn't take too much time. Guys, man, I mean, all right, so let's just, you know, maybe we'll just try to have some fun here. I mean, this market's just really not doing anything. While the gold is kind of trying to get a bounce, guys. Gold is trying to get a bounce. Of course, it is up.
Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted.
I've got one micro, but I mean, nothing really truly there, to be honest. I mean, nothing truly exciting as well right now. Nothing is exciting at the moment, you know. It's like whatever. I mean, this market has to find a way to excite StockTiger. Excite StockTiger. Flush down. Oh man, I've been calling out flush down for a while now, and it doesn't want to do that. So I don't know. Open a coffee chain. StockTiger coffee shop. Nah. Open a coffee. That freaking thing is really expensive, by the way, right? Opening up a coffee shop. I mean, think about it, guys. The space and all that. The retail space is really expensive. Such a ripoff, man. Might as well just move. Just do a full-time day trading. Probably do a better job from a profit standpoint. Convert your office into a coffee shop. Not in a residential area. Yeah, that coffee shop's not gonna last very long. If you try to go live in a coffee shop as like a concert, people are gonna run away. They'll be like, "What the heck is this Korean doing here? What is he talking about? Give us a little pullback. What the heck is he talking about? Don't get into FOMO. What are you talking about, FOMO? I'm not chasing you. Chase the market." Oh well, I'm not sure what this market's gonna do. I think it's maybe it may be a little bit of a chop ching all day, all night. I don't know. StockTiger is getting a little bored here, guys. Let's try to have some fun, maybe. Trades with Nick in the house, sir. Tiger, make a coffee shop that's called Chart and Coffee. Oh, hey, that's a good idea. Chart and a coffee. What is that? I like that, bro. You are so smart. Trading oriented would be dope. That's an important level. Yeah, it is. Yeah, we got an EMA here. Obviously, that is acting currently as a resistance 163, and we just can't get above that, right? So I don't know. One of the items at your coffee shop could be FOMO latte. Oh, FOMO latte. Yeah, final countdown. Yeah, FOMO latte. Yeah, I like that. Maybe. What else can we come up with? I like that idea, guys. I mean, maybe. Yeah, the retail space though. That's the biggest F. Does anybody actually own a coffee shop here? I mean, pretty sure one of you guys would be owning. I'm pretty sure one of you guys are owning for sure. I can almost bet. I can almost bet. Revenge brew. Yeah. Anyways, guys, back to the trading, of course. You know, I mean, oh my god, this market is just annoying, guys. Move, pump it up, let's go. Come on, we don't have time. We got Tokyo now in about 20 minutes. Holy man, we've been just sitting here for about 40 minutes without really getting into anything exciting here. I feel embarrassed. But guys, man, wow, man, look at this gold trying to get a pump here. Gold is pumping, guys, as we speak. And what am I doing here? Trading gold. Sorry, NQ. Guys, I'm just gonna exit my trades on this freaking bad boy, and I'm gonna move my attention back into the silver. Sorry, not in the silver. The gold. The gold is getting a nice little bounce, guys. Man, I want to be able to be part of this. I love being part of this gold. Let's go, guys. I'm gonna try to long here on a pullback. I'm gonna be looking for a little pullback here before we try to hop on a long, and then we'll go from there. Matt Nick's in the house, man. Trading for the W. Edward 44 Punisher, Joy Crypto. Everybody, welcome back, guys. All right, so we are getting a little bounce in the gold. Gold, of course, trying to get a bounce 47.68. Yeah, it looks like it wants to just keep pumping here, guys, man. Holy mochino. Oh my god, sometimes, like some people, keep talking about stock market is going to crash. It's the end. Like, we've been talking about market crashing for about 8 months now. They just don't stop. For 8 months. It's been pulling back. 8 months ago. I could have just closed my eyes, went long on the equities, and maybe had a lot of profits by now. Oh my god. Still, some people saying the same thing over and over again. We are going to have a massive crash in the market. I mean, yeah, at some point, we can't go straight into the moon. At some point, it's going to kind of pull back, right? I mean, it's very obvious, but I don't understand. Like, for 8 months straight in a row, back to back, every freaking week, guys, we got some people just calling out, yeah, and now it's real. It's going to pull back. Wow. 40% pullback on S&P, 30% pullback on whatever, 20% pullback on QQQ. Incredible mochaccino, everybody. Incredible. It's gonna pull back, you know, whether you like it or not, right? And now, guys, man, Tom Lee, man, Kip, think about it, Tom Lee, for straight, oh shit, guys, 1 second, holy mochaccino, man, what? Oh, hold on, 1 second, guys, 1 second, guys, 1 second. What the heck, guys, man, this is not fair. Hey, play fair, okay? Play fair. Look at this pump in this gold, man. You know, this is the problem. Like, you just keep waiting, and all of a sudden it kind of moves. I'm like, what the heck is going on here? Ah, yeah, I completely missed, man. Blink of an eye, it's already up there. I'm like, what the heck is this? Am I dreaming? Am I dreaming right now? Well, I'm up on the other account that I was already up. Look at this mochaccino bounce, guys, man, incredible. I can place my stop at the break even there. Woo, baby! You know, probably just keep holding this bad boy, right? I think. Wow, man, look at this, guys, man. Look at this gold kind of pump. Let's try to maybe add some more.
Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order
I'm gonna have a hard stop
order
though.
Canceled.
Stop.
Order submitted.
I've got 4 contracts, and I'm gonna hold it, guys. Just let's try to see. I think maybe a hard stop here into, I would say, yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here at the 70, and then let's just try to go back into the I don't know, man. I don't know what is up with this. Hold on 1 second, guys. I may try to exit this trade here right now. Exit that trade.
Filled.
I'll exit that trade, and let's just go back to discount. Oh man, is this just gonna keep going, guys, man? Can somebody stop this gold? Give me that little pullback here so I can actually long a little more position. Oh my god, everybody, incredible. Yeah, this FOMO is real. Everybody, no one is chatting right now. Everybody's so busy. Everybody's so busy right now trying to. What is going on right now? Damn, did I just log off? This freaking thing just log off or what? Fuck. Yeah, I think I'm gonna have to go after Starlink now. Incredible mochaccino, man. I swear to God, so freaking mad. I'm really mad, guys. This telecoms. Am I down still? Oh my goodness, you be kidding, guys. All right, guys, we are getting a pullback here. Man, this is... Am I back? Sorry, guys, man. I really I really appreciate. My apologies, everybody, for this mess up. I'm definitely not a happy camper right now, of course, but I'm not happy. StockTiger mucho angry, everybody, mucho. Una señora mucho angry. And damn. Yeah, I just broke one of my one of my finger. I gotta go to the washroom. I'll be right back, guys. 1 minute. All right, fellow traders, I am back here again. Thank you, guys. Am I still down? Let me just take a look and see if I'm still down, guys. Am I? 1 sec. All right, so I'm still okay. Looks like. Yeah, am I okay right now, guys? You guys can see me. All right, so I'm okay now. Looks like it. No sound. 1 2 3. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Can you guys hear me? Please type in 1 if you guys can hear me right now, guys. All right, guys, I think we're good there. So we had a big pop, and obviously now it's getting a pullback here. But the thing is, though, the NQ is still constantly pulling back. I wonder what this is kind of telling us.
Order filled.
Order filled. Order rejected.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, so guys, let's hold on one second, everybody. Oh man, I'm a little confused with the network issue that we're going through right now. All right, so we are going to do listed black account giveaway here, right? Listed account black giveaway. We'll call out the winner at about 350 likes. So if you guys want to support the stream, guys, go ahead and smash the like never before. And if we can't get there today, it's fine. We'll try to come back tomorrow and redo it again. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here. I'm gonna call out on our Discord as well, so you guys can take a look as well. And then my Discord link, I'm gonna share it again for you guys to hop in and check out the details as well. Let's rush. We got Tokyo as well opening in about a few minutes. So this is listed black 50k account giveaway here today. And then also hopefully I don't get disconnected though. Wow, man, literally give back all the gains. Is that what it is? Yeah, I'll move my stop to break even here at this point. All right, good luck everybody. Type in exclamation tiger. Let's go, guys. All right, so we are getting a little pullback here on the gold. Now let's try to see if we can actually get a bounce off this the pullback that we are getting here. It does just kind of feel like a little bit of a consolidated pullback here, right? So maybe we get another leg to the upside. Maybe we get a pullback before we start to get a bounce again. I mean, I like to kind of see a bounce back above the 81. I'm gonna have a hard stop here just in case I get stopped out, right? I don't want to kind of hold the back here again, so I'm gonna be pushing. I'm gonna be pushing, and let's try to see if we can actually get a little bit of a bounce on the gold. And yeah, that was a pretty aggressive pullback here on the gold. let's get it, guys. Thank you everybody once again for being here with us every single night. And on top of that, we got morning trades as well. I'm a little different in the mornings because I'm you know, the morning trades are obviously a little wild, right? The market boost. So and today was a very difficult morning for StockTiger. Obviously I tried. I did well on a lot of accounts, but then also one account kind of went down, so you know what I mean. But it's okay, it's okay. But anyways, guys, thank you everybody for being here, also being with us every single day, night, in the morning, whatever, guys. What the heck was that? The wick down? Yeah, I know, man, I know, pretty bad. But guys, man, I thank you everybody obviously for being here, okay? And I thank you really, definitely. All right. So 47.80 here. I wonder what this gold's gonna do. Are we gonna get a little pullback here? If this gold was truly that bullish, we could have kind of, I don't know, man. It just doesn't feel. Wow, I definitely did not expect this kind of a pullback here in the gold, but maybe let's try to see how much am I gonna lose. Okay, so I'm gonna try to hold this into the 47.70. And I want to see how deep of a pullback that we are going to get in the gold. And I might try to add to my position on the gold. But the hard breach is going to be in that 69. I'm going to have to exit my trade on that pullback here if we get. TY Gorton, what is up, brother? Thank you for being a member. And thank you for your support as well. Lucky Moon, I appreciate you streaming. I mean, hey, it's my honor and my pleasure. And without you guys, obviously I can't go live because nobody's there. I can't go live myself. So that's why I thank you guys all the time. Really appreciate it, guys. All right, back here again. We are going to obviously have our giveaway here tonight. Let's smack and let's break that like never before. Let's get it, guys. We'll call out the winner at about 350 likes. And let's get it, everybody. All right, so here we are getting a little witchy. A little grind to the south. That's a pretty interesting pullback here in the gold.
Order filled.
All right. All right, guys, I went long on NQ. I'm looking for a bounce into the VWAP.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I
Order
got order triggered.
Order cancelled.
So we'll keep it at that for now. All right, if you keep typing, you're gonna get a nice, beautiful timeout. Oh yeah, so it's not giving a ticket. Oh, that's hold on one second, guys. I think there's a little problem. Oh, I see. Yeah, I don't see any entries as well myself. Hold on, guys. My apologies. Hmm. One second, guys. I'm trying to fix this. The raffle has been canceled. Let's try to see if it works now. One second, guys. All right, let's see if it works. Oh my god, I don't think it's working, bro. Jeez, guys. What is up? All right, there we go, guys. I think it's working now. Hey, let's go, baby. I think it's working now, guys. I think it's working now, guys. You're gonna have to type it again. Hurry up. Type it again before it shuts down. Sorry, everybody. Oh, it's not working. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding, bro. The keyword is wrong. Sorry guys, one second. Oh my god, no idea. Yeah, I mean, I don't know, guys, man. I don't know why it's not working, to be honest. Just... Hold on one second. I'm just gonna try to log off. And try to log in again. All right, guys, I don't think it's working, unfortunately. One sec, everybody. Try another word. I mean, none of this thing is working right now. Yeah, I think so. We'll just bear with me, everybody. We may have to do it another time. Something's just not working. Something's a little broken here. I don't know what it is. I'll keep trying, and then I'll let you guys know if it works. If not, we're gonna have to roll it. Unfortunately, I'm so sorry, everybody. My apologies, guys. All right, guys, we are back into trading here. 47.80. We are trying to get out of this little pivot on the gold. Let's see if we pierce through this and try to get above and retest the higher at 85. All right. Yeah, I have no idea what's going on, man. Thank you. Final countdown. Yeah, none of my bots are kind of working, so try to log in again. Oh my god, no. All right, I want to kind of want to see us get above the 82 here in the gold. And I think if we can do that, I think we have a good chance of a breakout, guys. I mean, I've got a hard stop here, though, like right at the 47.73. Both down, yeah. I mean, all right. I'm looking for the gold to get a well, a little bit of a bounce. I don't know if you're getting that. We are getting a little bounce in the NQ though. The gold looks like it wants to get a bounce. I don't know about this gold, guys, man. I'm just gonna leave this gold aside for now. It's not looking that promising, to be honest. The gold is. The gold looks weak. I don't know, man. You got this nice little pop and I don't know what happened. I don't know what happened there after that. It's like it's no longer looking bullish on the gold. So we'll keep an eye on this still. I want to keep an eye on that. Let's take a look at the, well, we had a little bit of a dump on the silver, sorry, not on silver, on the NQ, and the gold got a pump. So there's definitely some kind of a news. All right, NQ trying to get a little bounce. I don't know. I think that network, the network issue that I had earlier, I think kind of messed up the whole thing. I guess I don't know what it is. Very annoying. $142. Let's see if this thing is actually working. Oh, wow. I didn't realize Tokyo's actually open. It kind of opened 15 minutes ago. But it's still there, so... I mean, the gold. Let's take a look at the gold again. Yeah, it is uptrending, right? It's definitely bullish in the gold. So gold is bullish overall. It's just that right now, maybe we get a little pullback here before we try to get a bounce again. That's what I'm kind of seeing at the moment, right? Maybe we see a pullback at least back into the VWAP. We're pretty overbought right now from a 5-minute standpoint. Let's just go back to we could just literally just chop here on the NQ. I mean, I haven't really seen anything in the NQ that makes me feel bullish at all, right? Gold definitely looking slightly better right now, but it's just that we got a little pivot here. We got to pierce through. We may have a little bit of a tough time trying to get above that, so... Now the whole connection is just gone. All right, so gold trying to pull back here, of course, and we are getting a little bounce. I'm gonna try to.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Order submitted.
All right, guys, I'm
Order
gonna try and
submitted.
long NQ here on a pullback. Now let's let me just take a look and see if this is kind of working out.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Dashboard. Bots. Timer. Trade X investing. What is going on, guys? All right.
Order filled.
Order filled.
So we are getting a little pullback here.
Order
Order filled.
Holy man.
Order submitted.
Are we gonna dump on NQ? Maybe. We'll try to be a little patient. Yeah, I'm still trying to fix my Streamlab, by the way. So maybe I don't know. Maybe I've just gotta have to restart my computer or something like that. I don't know. I think that network earlier kind of disrupted the connection, I guess. But anyways, for now we'll try to focus on our trading, and let's try to have some fun here. NQ to all-time high. Whoa, I don't know about that, bro. That's asking for too much. All right, so I went 8 micro contracts here. I kept scaling into my trade with 2 micro. By the way, yeah, I kept adding and adding. So let's try to hold this. I'm gonna try to add some more on a pullback
Order
here,
submitted.
and I'm gonna have to, of course, exit this trade
Order
on a
submitted.
pullback into, I would say, in that 120 area. Oh, this is still not working, unfortunately. It says it's active. Silver looking nice. EL7, you just passed another eval. Awesome, awesome, guys. I don't know how you guys are doing today, but congrats to everybody who tried to pass an eval and doing really well, guys. Congrats once again. So I'm gonna be looking for a little bit of a balance on NQ, and maybe just gold just seems a little exhausted, guys. I don't know what it is. So until the gold starts to move, we'll try to keep an eye on the NQ for now, and go from there. Yeah, sorry, 1 second. I'm gonna have to take a look at the chat here. Incredible mochaccino. Unreal mochaccino. Cool, Bob. Anyone trade silver ninja trader? Uh-oh. That doesn't usually end very well. You got an eval banned from Apex? Holy smokes, man. You got an email transition to live email, really? Shohei? You got an email banned from Apex today? Really? What you got an email a few weeks ago? I mean, did we what live? I haven't heard. I honestly, I'd never heard anybody go live at the moment with the Apex. So you just get banned, but you don't go live. But you do, yeah. People, there are people who get banned. Like, what's the reason you got banned? Is that any information on that? You have 10p accounts still, but I can't buy any more evals. Oh. You made too much. Yeah, guys, man. See, if you know how to make too much, maybe you also have to know how to lose too much. I have no idea, man. Too much disruption in this trading space.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, guys, I took one more off table.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Shorting gold. Holy mochaccino. That could be a real big fat frappuccino kind of pullback here in the gold. All right, guys, I'm looking to go long here. Well, I'm already
canceled.
long. I mean, I'm looking to hold this long position that I'm in right now, guys.
Order canceled.
I'm just gonna have a
Order
mental
canceled.
stop. I kind of hate constantly trying to remove my stops and all that, right? Or trail my stops. So might as well just have a mental stop here on this NQ. And I'm gonna be looking for that little bit of a bounce into the 165. I don't know what the reason is that we are getting a little bounce in the overall market. It could be hold on one second, guys. I don't wanna let away. Estrado, what's going on, man? Endola, the real DC trader, Austin in the house. What is up? What is up, everybody? Welcome back, guys. All right, great to see you all here again. So I'm up on this trade, on this account. I mean, everything's looking pretty hunky-dory. Nice, I like it. I mean, the great thing is that we got so many firms out there that we can kind of trade. So that's the beautiful thing about this prop space. It gives us a chance to trade a lot of firms. And you know what? I mean, it's a lot better than 18 months ago when you only had like a very handful of firms out there,
Order
right?
submitted.
So, full port. Jay Whis. No stop, baby. Uh-oh.
Order filled.
Order
Well,
filled.
just because you don't have a hard stop, that doesn't mean that you are full porting. StockTiger full porting. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, what the heck is going on, man? Why isn't my Streamlab not working today? Why? What's your problem? Can somebody let me know what the problem is? Nobody but you. Full port on gold. Raby in the house, man. What's going on, Raby? How you doing? How's your day? Ibrakara, Sacred, 43.62. Stephen Seller, Rep to whoever is shorted gold. Uh-oh. Holy mochaccino. Like, guys, the gold and the, well, the gold has been, see, this is the problem, right? The gold does not kind of gives you that sort of a, you know, any kind of an indication that it's going to get a pop there, right? I mean, who would have ever thought that we get a pop right at this level? And that's the reason why it's really hard to trade gold. And not just gold, of course. Silver, obviously, the same thing, but we'll keep gold on the right hand side here, kind of try to gauge where it's gonna go. It does look pretty bullish now that we got a nice little break out of this 84. So your deal is good, nice from Woodland. Rebby, congrats, man. Your deal was good. Really nice, really nice. So let's see if we keep going here on the NQ. Look forward to trading live account. I don't know. Kind of scares me a little bit. Okay, so a little bounce, 142. So a nice little trade on the NQ. Something at least, you know, easier, predictable, tradable area on NQ versus, you know, like the gold. I mean, honestly, I mean, who would have the pop and the pull on the gold? It's, I don't know, it's really tough. I would have never kind of expected this kind of a move in this market, right, in the gold, and a pop from here at the 478 area. I mean, give us some signs that you are gonna pump. You know what I mean? We just don't get that in the gold, and that's why it's hard to trade. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna NQ now. NQ 154 we are at. Looking a little exhausted here, guys. I may have to exit my trade here if we can't get above the 160, guys. I'll try to hold on to this, but I'm only down to 3 now.
Order filled.
Order filled.
The gold trying to get a bounce. The gold trying to get a bounce. I'm looking at the gold on the right hand side. Rexer. This is gold on the right hand side. What do you think I'm looking at? Oh, StockTiger looking at something else. Copper. Nah, this is gold. You're just trolling StockTiger. That's what it is. Trolling StockTiger, everybody. Guys, we are pumping here. What's so messy about NQ? It's better than gold, I think. Well, I do kind of see the gold. It's still bullish, right? But I mean, we may get a little bit of a relief bounce on the NQ. Let's trade wheat. Oh my god, I don't know about that, bro. So hey man, the NQ is kind of moving, right? I don't know what it is. Maybe it's the Netflix, maybe that's kind of moving this market. Let's take a look at Netflix, guys. I want to take a look and see where we are kind of sitting. Well, the Netflix is down about 5% now, man. They actually ended up pulling back even further from where we were earlier, right? So and sorry, not Nvidia. What am I saying? Nvidia. So NQ, oh my god, StockTiger, get your stuff together right now. Holy mochito. So Netflix, obviously Netflix got to pull back further. Maybe the guidance isn't that great. We're already down about 5% on the Netflix, so maybe this could be a little bit of a dead cat bounce, if you will, right, on the overall market. So I wouldn't be too optimistic on this bounce on the NQ. Probably best to kind of stay caution and maybe roll our eyes back into. Also, I'm going to exit this trade here right now, guys.
Order filled.
Exit that trade. Maybe I'm going to try to. I'm going to try to trade this. What do you call
Order
this?
submitted. Order filled.
Order filled.
Gold here.
Order
I'm going to try to go
Order
long on the
submitted.
gold.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
All right, I'm hopeful that some of these orders, limit orders, actually end up getting filled. If not, that's fine. I'm gonna have a hard stop though, right at the
Order submitted.
84.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Double down on NQ with 26 more micros. Holy mochino. T.Y. Gorton, a very aggressive trader. Silver to 96 bucks. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised if we get to, I don't know. I mean, I wouldn't be surprised if we get to $100 on silver. I wouldn't be surprised at all. But the problem is, where do we enter? You know what I mean? Like, so freaking hard to trade silver already
Order
as
filled.
is. All right, the NQ trying to grind, slowly grind to the upside.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right, in the meanwhile,
Order filled.
Order filled.
all right, all of my orders actually got filled.
Order
Now it's the
canceled.
time. Let's see. Whew. Let's try to see if the gold pulls back or we get a bounce on the gold, guys. I am long on the gold right now. And of course, you guys know every time StockTiger go long on gold, I do get hurt. By the way, why is this freaking Streamlabs still not working? Holy mochaccino. Unreal. I don't know, it does this sometimes, really drive me crazy. 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 Do 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 bum 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 bum. All right, guys, man, we're getting a pullback here in the gold, as of course as we expected. All right, down about $100. Great, StockTiger, and the NQ is, oh man, we are getting a nice little bounce in the NQ. Incredible. All right, so we are sitting at 87, and the NQ keeps going here, by the way. Yeah, just guys, just ignore the raffle. I'm kind of trying to test, and I want to see if it kind of works, but I think it stalled again. Hola amigos, ¿cómo estás, man? Zoldi, AUD, what up, bro? Welcome back. No, it's not just that. I think it's a little more than that. So my other call outs are not even working too. So yeah, yes, just a very few got ticket, and then it kind of stopped again. So This mochaccino is annoying. All right, guys, man. I don't know what this gold is gonna do, man. It's just, it looks bullish for a few minutes and all of a sudden it's bearish, right? And meanwhile, me kind of waiting for gold to kind of pump. The NQ's already up there at 176. Are you kidding me? Get the hell out of here, gold. I'm not trading you gold anymore. Man, the NQ pumped 20 points while I was kind of waiting. Oh my god, now gold is moving. That's okay. Now I'm gonna try to see if I can trade this. Well, are we gonna keep going higher? Maybe there's some sort of a news, maybe that Trump willing to back out. Is that what it is? And that's what this market's kind of getting a little bit of a celebrated move. Just keep in mind, guys, the gold can dump if everything really goes well in Davos, right? That's gonna be huge, by the way. Gastoni. If Davos if Davos goes well and Trump goes, I never said anything. I never said anything. Guess what it's gonna do? The gold will be down about quite a lot, I think. Pretty wild. And maybe NQ may get a bounce, guys. I mean, you're not getting this sort of a bounce for no reason. And there's got to be something, right? There's got to be something that's kind of moving, making this NQ kind of move like this, guys. I mean, this is moving way better than NQ. Sorry, the gold, right? And there's got to be something that's kind of making this NQ move. I mean, yes, it's only about 50 points. Don't get me wrong, but it's nothing as pretty significant by any means. But still. Globex Asia, I mean Tokyo, just straight up without any meaningful pullback here. That kind of, I don't know, makes me think maybe there's something else going on, more so than see, we are getting a little bounce, guys. If we get above and try to get to like 250s and we're only about 70 points away from that level, that could mean that we get a stronger balance in the overall market, guys. That could be a pretty significant one. So we got to keep an eye on this NQ, guys. It's not, looks something smells right now. Definitely something smells here. Does anybody know what it is? That's it almost kind of feels like there's something there going on right now. I don't know. NQ is getting an N1. Huge gap above that will eventually get tapped. Oh, well, we also have gaps to the downside as well. That's also going to get tapped, right? So it's not just to the upside. We've got a lot of gaps to fill to the downside, by the way, to the south. So there's got to be something that's, you know, a little more than, all right. So a little pullback here, 171. I was in position on gold, and I got out. I was like, you know what? I'm not liking it. Actually, maybe I'm in a trade. No, I'm not. Why am I in a trade? No, I'm not in a trade. No, I lied. I'm not in a trade, guys. I wonder where this is gonna go, guys. I mean, it's pretty interesting price action, to be honest, man. I think today is the kind of a day that, kind of a night, you want to be extremely careful. Extremely careful. Oh, my legs are kind of hurting. Man, I broke my finger, damn it. I got a little too excited. I smacked my finger against the desk. Ooh, it hurts quite a lot. I am gonna cry. How's everybody making out today, guys? Are you guys banking? Are you guys in a little trouble? Got stuck in a trade? You guys want to share? Where you guys at? Ibrakara. Let me take a look at the chat. The smell of money. Reading too much into the normal move. Might be. It's been a long day of trading. The orange men become taco. You go to NQ and it dips. Are you in a position on gold? No, I'm not. I'm not in any position right now. Taking these. Trader with Nick, are you flat? Damn it. Were you long? Yeah, I took it off a little bit too soon, I guess. You were long on the gold and you exited that trade. Well, 320C. Oh, over $300, right? I'll take it any day. That's nice. How did you find E8? I'm still observing right now. I'll let you know. I don't have anything to say at the moment, so. You're long NQ? Oh, I see. Long NQ. We're getting a little bit of a bounce, guys. NQ. A nice little bullish candle that we have right here. So let's see. Maybe we have some more juice here. Or maybe we kind of run out of steam. We're going to find out. But this is a nice looking chart. Right? For a little more move. Yeah, I mean, honestly, I like the NQ chart better right now than the gold, to be honest. I think the gold may just, I don't know. I mean, gold could just chop, and then all of a sudden you get like a 20 points move to the upside or to the down. I don't know. That's the problem with this gold, right? Anyways, yeah, I've got gold on the right hand side. And then I've got NQ on the left hand side, and the NQ on the left hand side is a tick chart. So the gold looks like it wants to roll over, right? Yeah, man, I just kind of feel like that too. But then again, it's been pretty bullish so far. They're kind of overextended, right? So this is what I was talking about. Every time we have a candle that looks like this. Kind of gave us a little bit of a push down, right? So let's see if this time is this time is no different. So we have that here as well, right? We got it here as well. So I don't know, man. It's pretty interesting. Oh. Yeah, it looks a little heavy, so let's see. I mean, it's gonna get pretty interesting. I think it really boils down to what we get right tomorrow. Davos, Dr. Trump will be talking tomorrow, so that's gonna kind of give us a little bit of a, I would say, some move. Just not sure what it's going to be though. Me too. Needing only 840 to pass another Apex account. Really? Facile crypto, man. Good luck, brother. Maybe if you want to, what are you trying to trade? Facile crypto? Are you trying to trade NQ? I don't know if this is the time to do that. If you're trying to pass any value, you probably would like to do that tomorrow, I guess, right? So we have a little bounce. I mean, I kind of like this NQ, guys, man. 2 green bars in a row. Well, this is, yeah, 2 green bars in a row. This is on a 30-minute chart, right? So we're kind of tapping pretty close to the next level of resistance here at the 201. 201 would be another level to kind of watch, but 201, that would be 201. That's the EMA, right? We may try to kiss that 201. So maybe we try to get back into this 201 here, and then we're gonna have to wait and see what happens from there. But I mean, so far it's not looking as bad. Yeah, I may try to long on a pullback here on the NQ. Oh, right, man. What the heck, man? Everybody's looking at the same number here. Everyone's looking at the same number. $201, 214, pretty close. 153. Should have never exited, like what, an NQ? No pullback on NQ. 181. Is everybody still trading the listed flex, or are you guys trading black? I don't know if you guys noticed, but it almost kind of feels like nobody's loading in, trading the black one. Instead, I'm thinking of just you know, a trade. I'm also just thinking about trading illicit flex. That's what everybody else is saying. Probably good options. So yeah, exactly, man. Even Edward says flex right now. So yeah, Pro is still available. Oh yeah, by the way, guys, I did realize that Pro is, they're gonna exit the Pro, right? That's what they're saying. Pretty wild. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't touch the Pro because that's the account with DLL on it, right? So I'm like, you know what, I really don't want to do anything to do with an account with DLL, right? So now even the Tradify, what do you call this, the growth challenge, right? That's got DLL too. So I like their select plan on the Tradify. I like them better because you don't have to do anything with DLL at this point. It's a little bit pricier, but I mean, like, you know, it's all right. You lost 2 funded flex. Oh, 44 Punisher. You got 2 funded flex. Yeah, I mean, the market's not easy, right? The market is tough. At some point, we are looking for payouts. We are looking for, you know, I mean, we are trading the chart, but also we are looking for that that P&L, and eventually we end up losing because the market is tough. The market kept pulling back here this morning. I mean, obviously, I was kind of expecting a market to get a little bit of a bounce, but of course, the market was weak all throughout the day. So I'm pretty sure a lot of us, including myself, we all lost some accounts. Sad, but you know, it's just, it is what it is. You know what I mean? But at the same time, if you did well on the other accounts, that's great. Like one of my accounts, now sitting at almost $15,000, right, on one of my accounts. So, oh guys, man, we are getting a little bounce, man. And the gold bouncing and the NQ bouncing all at the same time, I'm not sure. So yeah, I mean, I was mad myself too, but then I'm like, you know what can I do? What can I do, guys? Nothing much I can do. But at least I'm extremely grateful that one of this big account that I have is sitting at 15,000, almost $15,000, man. I made $1,200 today on that account. So I'm kind of sitting at 15,000, so that's a huge amount. That's gonna be a huge gold. I can't wait. I've got to trade for another 4 days, and then we'll request a big payout. I'll take the whole thing out and kind of blow that account. You know what I mean? I'm not interested in. I would rather just start all over again because. I'm getting an email. Hold on 1 second, guys. I'm just getting some emails. I need to respond. Yeah, I mean, tomorrow's gonna be another wild day. I mean, Davos. All the eyes and attention into Davos tomorrow morning. So guess what? It's gonna be a crazy day. Tomorrow's the kind of a day you want to have a hard stop, and I'm gonna make sure I have a hard stop on my trades because it's gonna be wild, guys, man. I don't know, man. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be a wild day. We are getting a little bounce. Man, I still like a NQ to the upside here. I really do. But again, we are getting pretty close to. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here, guys. I'm gonna try and long on a pullback here, right? The thing is, though, we may try to go without getting any kind of a pullback here. We actually dipped into the 173, but well, hold on 1 second. Let me just try to use the MNQ here. Look, try to see.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Order rejected.
What the heck, man? You can only do.
Order cancelled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
That's fine. We'll leave it at that. We'll have 4 micro, kind of
Order
put a stop
submitted.
there. Shanghai, Shanghai, Shanghai. I don't know if you guys have ever heard that song before, but anyways. Okay, guys. 2 more minutes. I think a little less than a minute now. We'll Well, listed, no, lunchable OP. If you get your payout approved through Apex, then blow the account. Of course they do, yeah. But you got to make sure they approve you first. Once that account is approved, it doesn't really matter what you do with that account after that, right? But if it's not approved and you know you blow that account, then you are in some trouble. Then good luck with that. So I've got to trade for 4 more days. 4 more days. 4 more days. Yeah, I'm gonna trade it for 4 more days, guys. 4 more days. Yeah, 4 more days, and then I should be able to request the total amount. So I need a little pullback here. I'm just not getting any of that, right? So silver is dropping. Silver is dropping, really? Silver is dropping. Oh, let's take a look at silver. Wow, look at that mochaccino, man. I don't understand, guys. Silver pulling back and gold is getting a bounce. Like, I don't get it, guys. Wow. Maybe China is selling. China is selling. I'm not trading this stupid silver, man. Yeah, silver's pulling back pretty hard right now. Silver SI. That's pretty crazy pullback on the silver. That's a pretty hard dip, if you will. You've got to be kidding, pro trader. You actually scalped the trade on silver? I wouldn't dare touch that. That's like, well, I wouldn't say that's a guarantee blow account, but I mean, they're pretty close. So yeah, I mean, wow, man, look at this. Pretty interesting situation, guys. I mean, let's I mean, I think it's really important that we kind of calm down, right? I mean, we are getting a bounce on the NQ. This bounce kind of feel like, you know, this could be a little bit of a sustainable bounce that we are getting on NQ, to be honest. And that's what I'm kind of seeing. The silver and gold, on the other hand, it's man, it's kind of weird. It's pretty choppy. Looks weak to me, right? So, and the NQ is getting a bounce right now. Wow, shit, man. Very confusing. We're getting pretty close. We talked about the 210 area-ish on the NQ. And obviously none of my orders are going to get filled, and we are getting a bounce on the silver. Tough to crack this bad boy. 187. We are getting a bounce on the NQ. Let's take a look. Where's the gold? I don't have the gold yet. I don't know why. Where's the gold? MGC. GC. Wow, man. Let's try to take it to the 1 hour chart. Yeah, incredible. This is unreal. Yeah, I'm just like, I've got this gold on a 1 hour chart, obviously looking a lot bullish, right? Just on a 1 hour chart. Just take it to the 50 minutes chart, also still looking pretty bullish, right? So wow, it keeps going, guys. I'm the bull. Oh, jeez, man. Let's go back to the 1 hour chart. No entries so far. No entries for StockTiger. Trying something, but I'm trying to look for some entries, but of course it never really got filled on my NQs, so I'm just gonna take it off. We're kind of too far off.
Order canceled.
So get rid of that. The gold trying to keep pushing. 48.02. Let's take a look at the silver here for a moment. The silver looking, silver looking a lot more bearish. Wow, incredible. Everything's getting, everything is just squeezing, guys. I don't know what the heck's going on right now. Everything just keeps going. Squeezing. Did not really get a chance to kind of enter as well, so I'm Say Hyun, what is up? You want to exit this long? Oh man, you're up. Nice. 200. I think that's probably a good spot to kind of try to exit your trade. Good stuff, man. Good stuff. Yeah, I'm kind of, you know, I think I kind of missed an entry, I'll be honest. So I'm like, it's getting a little bit hard for me to kind of chase this market right now. I don't know. I'm just feeling a little more nervous lately than not. After, you know, I'm just like I don't want to chase. That's see you 0325. Thank you. Fighting. 감사합니다. Fighting. Yeah, it's a wild price action. I don't know, man. I'm just not feeling very comfortable, to be honest. So I'm just gonna leave it as is for now. Or maybe I could trade a little bit of a tight range, maybe a little scalp. Maybe I could try to do that. Maybe I could try to hold on.
Order submitted.
Let me just try to.
Order submitted.
Yeah, well, let me try to play. Let me try to play a little tight range trade. All right, so I entered short on a NQ. Let's see if it could actually get a pullback here into, I would say 177. Right, 177 is where I'm going to be looking at for a little pullback here down. Pretty oversold from an RSS standpoint. We're kind of sitting in that 67. We finally agree on a trade. Why you're shorting this NQ? I don't know. We'll try, but look, I mean, pretty strong market. I think that's what it is. And oh man, I'm trading the wrong account. Yeah, I'm gonna have a hard stop here. If I get stopped that, that's fine. But at least that way I can kind of manage my risk. Lately, it's been not good, so I may have to play a lot of hard stops now in the next few days as well, because I don't want to. Every time you hop on you do the opposite, but I hold for hours. You scalp, so makes sense. Oh yeah, I'm in DTB. Yeah. I hope you're joking about shorting NQ. I'm not joking. I'm actually short right now. I'm short. I'm shorty. Shorty, but the market is, I mean, it's choppy, it's squeezy, choppy, I don't know. It's NQ looks bouncy, to be honest, but I was kind of looking for that little bit of a pullback here down, but I don't know. If we pop, then I get stopped out, which is fine. I can live with that. $200 negative, I can live with that, yeah. NQ's pumping. Yeah, it's definitely a strange night. And the gold is getting a bounce, guys. The gold is getting a bounce. 48.07 now. Incredible. Yeah, man, this market is definitely moving, guys. I mean, it's not a little Mickey Mouse move that we are getting here, so it's not a Mickey Mouse anymore. I think the Davos is kind of moving this market pretty nicely here, so. And there we go, guys. 48.10 on the on the gold. Incredible. Oh, incredible. Yeah, NQ looking obviously a lot more bullish of all the other instruments compared to other instruments, that is. The gold keeps grinding, but gold is already up 1%, guys. Nearly 1%. That's $45 right from the low. Incredible, man. That's incredible. Guys, oh my god. Yeah, 48.13 now. And the NQ is kind of sitting in that 200 area now. Wow. I don't know, man. Were you guys actually able to trade this price action? Incredible. Anybody go long on the gold? Still holding that long on the gold? Kudos to you, man. Great stuff. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. I just kind of lost track. Just kind of missed an opportunity to enter on a couple trades that I was kind of looking at. And yeah, now we just... I mean, whatever. If I get stopped, that doesn't really matter, to be honest. But I mean... Yeah, I missed the whole move here. Both on NQ and gold. The gold... pretty overbought on both gold and NQ, but it just keeps going with no end. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get stopped out in the NQ, which is fine, not a big deal. But nothing truly there to kind of trade against at the moment. Not truly that very excited here with this sort of a price action that we are getting here. There's a slow little grind, you know. I mean, it almost kind of feels like this morning. Slow grind to the downside. Slowly just kills you. You're long on both. Long on both. Gold, long on both NQ and gold. Go wash your face. I already did. I already did. $125 on the silver.
Order cancelled.
Are we gonna keep pushing on NQ? Let's just take a look. Yeah, it looks... We actually got above a very important level. 196. It's pushing into 217. Melt up. You just got paid. Holy smoky, man. On what? Top Step? Illicit? What is it again? On Apex? Oh. Yeah, we don't really have any offers at the moment. I mean, the only thing we have is 35, 40%, illicit black 40%, Apex 80%, Billanox 83%, Take Profit Trader 40%. That's what we had for a while now. So that's all we have so far, guys. You look like a Boy Scout uniform with that red sweater. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah, it almost kind of feels like it's a slow little grind to the upside. I do see that happening here. Big order at 190. I mean, I don't really have too much conviction during Globex anyways lately. It's I can't trust this Globex in Asia overall lately. It's just been tough. Yeah, I like trading early in the morning, to be honest, like, you know, right at the start for about 15 to 30 minutes. That moves really, really nice. I like those moves. You know, it's a beautiful time to be trading, to be honest. You know, you can kind of really try to micro scalp all like, you know, the 30 to about an hour during the New York. A perfect time. And I think, you know what? I think tomorrow with what again? We got at 6 o'clock in the morning. We've got Trump speaking on the Davos, right? So that's going to be tricky. But at least, you know, I'm happy that he's chatting, is having this little conversation in the morning with the conference as well. Before we start the day, so that's good. That's good. I like that better than you know, having that little bit of a conference call and the meeting with the business during the midday tomorrow. Instead of that, you know, just finish it off early and let the market start. Right? That's way better. So I think it's gonna be cool. You know, tomorrow morning we don't really have anything else other than, I think there's some home sale or something like that in the morning, but. We'll see what this market takes us. I think the market's kind of waiting, but I think there's some sort of an insider news coming out. I think that's what it's making this market kind of get a little bit of a bounce in the NQ, right? The NQ's got a bounce about 80 points. Slow little grind to the upside all day today, right, so far. And I don't know what the NQ, sorry, what the gold is doing. Where's my freaking gold chart? Oh, there we go, guys. The gold is pulling back a little bit after that big push. The gold is up 1%, 50 points, and we did not really grab any of that move to the upside. So, not a happy camper right now, but nothing much we can do.
Order filled.
Stop filled.
All right, there we go, guys. I got stopped out on that trade. Mo in the house. What is up? All right, guys. I mean, there's nothing truly there. It's pretty slow still. Overall, still a very slow session. It almost kind of feels like it's moving a lot, but it's really not. Yeah, I hate this kind of a price action. You know, it's like a slow little grind, and it keeps going in one direction. I swear to God, I hate it. Yeah, I got stopped out there. Lost about $300 overall net. Never stops grind. Yo, the gold's still pushing, guys. I don't even know what to do now. Silver got a bounce, and the gold And the NQ looks a little exhausted here, but it still keeps moving. All right, so I did not I missed the whole move, so I was kind of like sitting on the sidelines here pretty much across the whole time. So I don't know, did anybody catch that move? Anybody still holding? Yeah, I know, can be rock pull. Yeah, Patrick, yeah, this is what I was talking about, right? I mean, I did not go long because I thought maybe I get rock pull. We may get a flush down, but so far it's not doing any of that. The gold and the NQ just keeps going in one direction. Maybe we just go straight to the moon here all the way. Incredible. Incredible. It's the, yeah, I think it's the algo. It just keeps going, guys. It's not even a slightest pullback here, so. Black Mamba, zoom out for the NQ. Let's take a look. I already zoom out, guys. I mean, it looks pretty good. This is zoom out here on the NQ. It keeps going. I don't really see anything there. Keeps going, guys. It's just non-stop here, including let's take a look at the ES here. Weird, guys. ES is pulling back. Oh no, sorry, man. I'm looking at the wrong chart. Yeah, ES is trying to get a bounce as well. Yeah. I'll get it. Sellers were intraday 200. They were trying to flip and squeeze. I don't know. I mean, this reminds me of one of those days where the Globex kept moving. Asia kept moving to the upside. Yeah, I mean, this is a straight up, right? Straight up, guys. I mean, no signs of a massive pullback here anytime soon. And the gold keeps going. Oh my God, guys. Oh, the FOMO is real. The FOMO is real, everybody. I better shut down the computer now and just not look at it anymore. Guys, don't forget to smack the like, guys. If you guys are having a lot of fun here today, thank you for your support, everybody. Really appreciate it, guys. NQ pulling back for sure. When? When is it gonna pull back here? I mean, I just kept waiting, right, on the NQ, and of course, we never really got anything there. And the gold, the same thing, guys. I mean, I don't know, man. It just keeps getting a bounce. Off to 20. It's pretty wild to say the least, man. I don't know. Well, now we're getting a pullback here after getting stopped out. Where did I get stopped out in this bad boy? Well, I got stopped out at 211. And the gold keeps going, guys. Oh, fuck, man. Guys, man, I'm just gonna walk away, man. I'm just not, I'm definitely not having a lot of fun here right now. I mean, obviously, having a lot of fun with my fellow traders, but not with the chart. This chart's driving me crazy. It's driving me crazy. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. I mean, yeah, I mean, guys, man, we've been waiting. There's literally nothing there right now. Man. Dustin, Lori. Yeah, I mean, I kind of lost. I don't know, man. I just literally lost everything now. In a sense, lost track. The market's doing its thing. A little confused. It just keeps going, you know. There's really no way to kind of try to hop on this to trade. The train's already gone. I'm looking for a little pullback here. I'm just not getting any of that right now, so I don't know. Did you guys, anybody catch that move? And anybody trading right now? I don't know if it's really, I just kind of find it very difficult to kind of get into a trade at the moment. And I don't want to screw up either, so nothing wrong, never force trades. Oh, the real looker, you caught that move? Oh, nice. This is it for the drop? Yeah, maybe. Yeah, man, I don't know. The NQ and the gold, everything is just a parabolic right now. I'm just incredible. Gold, we hit 5,000 by Friday. Holy mochino, man. We got some. Yeah, I mean, I'm also looking at 5,000 to be honest. I'm looking at 5,000, you know, believe it or not. StockTiger. Yeah. But is it gonna happen by this Friday? Well, that's gonna be really tough. I don't know. But you never know, guys, man. We got, of course, we've got Donald Trump. Oh, man, look at this, guys, man. Holy smokers, man. You've got to be kidding, guys. I mean, seriously, you know, I mean, something that I've got to get better at myself as well. Like, you know, maybe we could do a little bit of a back testing here. But you see, I was trading here at this level, right? You guys, I was trading here at this level. And I was kind of worried about, oh, it's going to pull back. And of course, I ended up taking my profits, you know, for a couple points. But if I truly believed that this market with the gold was going to get a nice beautiful bounce, I could have held that trade. I didn't do that, you know. I was short-sighted. I was looking at this very narrow area, and right, and I was kind of like out of that trade with a small little profit that I had, $30, $40. But in the meantime, I kind of missed this whole move. You know what I mean? Look at this. I could have just held it, you know, but I didn't do that. And this move, I could have swinged all night. You know what I mean? I didn't do that. I was just looking at this, and I'm like, you know what? I want to get out. So a takeaway. So I have a couple takeaways here, not just tonight, but in the morning as well. In the morning, I held on my losing trade a little bit too long, right? And I ended up getting knocked out. And then here, I don't know, man. I'm looking at this. I'm like, I should have held on this trade. I should have just kept it, hold it until it breaks, right? Put a stop here at the 47.70. What's the problem, right? And just keep it there and just leave it there. And until it triggers, just leave it there on that trade. StockTiger, it would have been a nice, beautiful trade, right? Oh well, something to take away. I could have, yeah, I mean, that could have definitely been a nice little trade there. I was long on the gold, by the way, earlier. Silver is red. Silver is red. Okay, once again, guys, I did not take a look at the silver here, by the way. Wow, man, what the heck is going on? Yeah, this is why it's really confusing right now, guys, man. Silver pulling back, the gold getting a bounce, and the NQ getting a bounce. It's like, that's why I'm a little confused, you know what I mean? I'm like, oh my god, you've got to be kidding, guys. Yeah, look at the silver getting a pullback here. Nasty, a little pullback here in the silver. I don't know what to say, guys, man. The pull, like this, oh, the gold is pulling back here as well. It's moving very quickly to Asia standards. You know what I mean? It's tough. Wow, I don't know, man. Guys, man, I'm just gonna walk away. This chart's kind of hurting me right now. I'm like, up, down. Silver pulling back, but the gold is up. The gold is up, but NQ is up as well. Like, yeah, I'm just gonna walk away, guys, man. Yeah. I don't think this is a perfect time for StockTiger to kind of start getting into trades. It's a weird one. It's a weird price action. I kind of lost I kind of lost track here. Golden zone, yeah. I kind of missed this whole trade. I mean, that stream lab kind of breaking down first thing. Yeah, I couldn't get into trades. I don't know why, man. I just lost that little bit of a, the trading. Oh. I mean, I got a little confused, right? I got a little confused, and then I kind of lost track, and then the market kept going, and then it's like I kind of missed the whole move. And I didn't want to get into a FOMO. I didn't want to get into chase. I didn't want to play smart with this market, which was kind of looking a little weird, right? In a sense, it's making moves that I thought it wasn't going to. So, like, I wasn't expecting silver to kind of give us that pullback, and then I was kind of thinking maybe the gold is gonna kind of try to follow that suit. You know what I mean? So if the silver makes the initial moves, and then the gold kind of follows. It's like almost kind of like the Bitcoin versus the NQ. You know what I mean? And so when silver kind of gave us this little dive pullback, I thought we will see the gold actually kind of pull back at the same time. But then the gold kind of got a bounce, and the silver got a pullback. I'm like, oh, hold on, wait a minute. What the heck is going on right now? And then the NQ, I'm looking for a pullback. It's not pulling back. It just keeps going, right? You guys see that silver, the NQ? NQ just keeps going with no any kind of a pullback, right? I'm like, eventually I found a way to short NQ, and of course I try to be cute with it, and I got knocked out on that. I'm like, you know what, I can't be in this trade anymore because it's pretty confusing. From a grand scheme of things, it's not really a significant push, but even then, just think about it, guys. Gold is up 1.3%. That's 60 points, and the NQ is up 0.25%. That's $78, and the silver is down. Silver is down $0.50, a little less than $0.50. So yeah, it's kind of hard to say. I don't know where this market's gonna go, to be honest, but so maybe kind of like try to observe the market, I guess, for tonight. We got a lot of events tomorrow, right? I think the Davos, right, meeting tomorrow, I think that's gonna be huge in the morning at 6 o'clock in the morning, guys. I think that's gonna be huge. So we're gonna have to keep an eye on that and just kind of try to be a little more conservative in our trades, because we don't want to nuke any accounts, right? It's gonna be a tough another morning tomorrow into the cash, so we'll keep an eye on that. But shouldn't short NQ at this point. You should wait for the retest. I mean, yeah, the retest is just not happening right now. We may right as when I end the stream, I think that's when the market is gonna start to move. You guys know the drill. It's always happened that way. Anyways, guys, I did not get into a lot of trades here today, which is fine. We'll look for another day. We'll come back here tomorrow, guys. Right? I'll be back tomorrow during the Globex. We'll try to we'll try to be a lot better at it. We'll try to attack the market. Try to see if we can be a little more aggressive tomorrow, and try to take a look and think about what happened this morning and tonight. A couple of takeaways. We'll try to get better at it tomorrow, and we'll try to slay the market tomorrow, guys. I mean, once again, let's get it, guys. Everybody have a great rest of the night. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Globex ASIA. I will not be here this morning, so I mean tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna have to be back tomorrow in the Globex 5:30 p.m. Eastern time. So everybody have a great rest of the night. The market's moving. Be careful tomorrow morning, guys. We got Davos meeting here for Trump coming out tomorrow early into the day before the market opens, actually. So everybody have a great rest of the night, guys. God bless everybody, you and your family. Trade safe. Protect your accounts. We'll see you guys back tomorrow, 5:30, everybody. Until then, have a great rest of the night. Thank you, everybody. Bye-bye. Peace. Take care, guys. Bye-bye, everybody.